ready to transform your chaotic leads into a finely tuned sales machine. Let's dive into the powerful world of tagging and segmenting your contacts in Follow Up Boss. First, navigate to the People section of your Follow Up Boss account. Here you'll see a list of all your contacts. To tag multiple contacts at once, simply check the boxes next to their names. This activates the bulk action menu. Now, click the Add Tag button. A window will pop up. You can either select from your existing tags or create a new one. Let's say we want to create a new tag for first-time home beer. Type that into the field and click Create. Now you can select the first-time home beer tag and click Apply. Watch as the tag appears next to each of the selected contacts' names. To see all your first-time home buyers, use the filter option and select tags, then search for and select first-time home beer. Click Apply Filters. And just like that, you've got a perfectly segmented list ready for targeted follow-up. This precise tagging means more effective communication and faster conversions.